Okay. So stare rationibus decidendi. So stare decisis means stand by the decision, do not unsettle what is already said. So as I told you, once a judge has given a decision, the same decision has to be followed by the future judges. However, all what the judges have stated need not be followed under doctrine of binding precedent. Okay. There is a method what to be followed, which judge's decision has to be followed, okay. Under which circumstances it has to be followed. Likewise, there will be some sort of criteria, some sort of a method of following the previous decision. Okay. Then here you get the history of the doctrine of binding precedent. As I told you, the doctrine of binding precedent evolved with the start of the common law legal system. Okay. Now, common law legal system has started with customary laws. Okay. So all the best customary laws became the law common to everybody in Britain. Okay. And the law common to everybody in Britain was combined with the equitable maxims and the principles that came from the Chancery's Court, which is called as the equity. So the law common to everybody in Britain and equity, both we call it as judge-made law. Okay, that is the common law. So that common law evolved with the help of the doctrine of binding precedent. Am I clear there? So it's not just the customary laws plus the equity, both that we consider as judge-made law, and how that judge-made law was established later, how that judge-made law was established because of the doctrine of binding precedent. Clear? Okay. So here you can see in the board, like the slide says, in law the common law, also known as the judge-made law, case law, is that body of law derived from judicial decisions of courts and similar tribunals. So the Curia Regis and the Chancery's Court started developing these laws. Then defining characteristics of common law is that it arises as precedent. Okay? Previous decision. It arises as a previous decision. That previous decision was applied for the current case law by the judge. Okay? But not for all the current cases. When they apply that particular previous decision to the current case, there must be a similarity. Okay? There must be a similarity with the previous case and the current case. What the similarity must be with regard to the material facts. Okay? It's not just the facts, the material facts. So it says, in cases where the parties disagree on what the law is, a common law court looks to the past presidential decisions of relevant courts and synthesizes the principles of those past cases as applicable to the current facts. Okay? Here the current facts means the material facts. Remember that. When you say facts and material facts, there is a difference. So we are learning that with the slides. But basically, facts means everything, whatever which has happened. But material facts means the facts that were used to arrive at the decision. Okay? Material facts means the most important facts that was used by the judge to arrive at the decision. Clear? Then, if a similar dispute has been resolved in the past, the court is usually bound to follow the reasoning used in the prior decision. That is called as the stare decisis. Okay?